boys and girls, yesterday we talked about creating our stories that we drew and being able to write them out one sentence at a time to have a beginning, have a middle, and an end. Now, today we're going to focus specifically on the ending. We want to make sure that our ending is satisfying. People feel like, or the readers feel like your writing has a very good ending and they feel like there was a closure. So I'm going to read my story and make sure that my ending is a strong one. All right? Sophie, Stan, and Robert are going to go to the park. The kids and their parents drive to the park. Sophie tells the boys to play on the monkey bars, but they do not want to. Sophie gets upset, and her mom talks to her about being a good friend. Sophie learns her lesson, and they play nicely together. Now, I do have an ending to my story, but I feel like it's kind of boring and not really satisfying, not kind of like the ending that I really want to end my story with. So today we're going to really look at the end and kind of edit it to make sure that what we have is the best ending that we can come up with. Now I am going to write another number 5 down here because I know that I'm going to keep that similar idea for the ending, but I am going to change what really happens. So I kind of am going to draw a line through it and try to remind myself that this is my new ending. So my new ending, I'm going to be more specific and kind of play out exactly what happens. So Sophie goes up to the boys and tells them she is sorry. Let me zoom in a little bit. Sophie goes up to the boys and tells them she is sorry. All three of them what am I going to say? All three of them hug and run with excitement to the slide and have a wonderful afternoon together. Exclamation point. So my ending now kind of has a little bit more detail. I've got some more exciting words in here. Instead of just saying that she learns her lesson and they play nicely together, I added some more to my ending so that it feels like there is a better, stronger ending. It's a more satisfying ending. Okay, I kind of can visualize. I see them, she goes apologizes, they hug it out, and then they run and go play. And so what we're going to do now is I want you to get out your writing notebook, and I want you to reread your story that you wrote and think of a way that you could make your ending a little bit stronger. I will see you in a moment.